Hey everybody, it's Mike down here at Seacoast Harley-Davidson again. We're always trying new cleaning things to see what people like, what they don't like. We want to know what kind of cleaning products do you use in your bike. We've used the Bug Slide, absolutely love that stuff. We've gone through some other stuff in the product. The Harley product's great. This is a new thing we just brought in. It's called Muck Off. Vendor came in, showed it to us. We're interested in it. We brought some in. We want to see how people like it, how they use it. So come in and try it. There's a couple different products. The snow foam, this is what's good for those foam cannons. That white foam, cover your bike, spray it off. The waterless is a spray-on, wipe off. That is not for denim paint though, just a heads up. There is a wax type material in there, so it's not for denim paint. Next over here I got the motorcycle cleanup. This is safe for your denim paint and your gloss paints. Next to that is a refresh bottle, so this is a concentrated version of this. And then just a silicone spray for cleaning it, making it look nice and shiny. This is a new product we brought in. Come on and buy it, try it. We want to know how you guys like it. And on top of that, like I said, we want to know what you already use to clean your bike. Give us a call, come on down, we'll talk to you later.